Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝚛𝚑𝚢𝚘 Education Center. I am Bibi.
And I am Maurice Lin.
In this video, we will be talking about rain. Before we start the video, I have a few things to ask. Everyone, how's the weather in your town? In our town, it rained on Monday. Rainy days are quite boring to me, to be honest. Teacher Maurice, do you like the rainy season?
Actually, I really don't like rainy days because I can go anywhere freely and I can do anything freely. But sometimes I really hope to rain because Manali's hot season is really hot and really tough. What about you?
I'm with you. As you said, we can't go outside and we can't do anything during the rainy days. But on the other hand, in the rainy days, I can have one coffee and I can listen to the music which makes my mind calm.
Of course, we have many pros and cons of rain. For the book lovers, a good book, a carrot coffee, and the rhythm of the rain is like a paradise. For the movie lovers, a good movie, hot coffee, and the rhythm of the rain is a parfumage. Wait, what are we talking about now? About a hot coffee or about the rhythm of the rain?
Yeah, it seems like we're getting off the topic, but it's okay because we are still talking about the rain. Oh, Teacher Maurice, if you don't want to get off the topic, then why don't you explain us about how the rain becomes?
Oh, Teacher B, you asked the right person. Let me explain about the water cycle. First, the water on the earth vaporizes because of the sunlight or hot weather. Water vapor goes up to the sky and they condense as clouds and then fall down to the earth as the drop of the rain. That is how the rain becomes.
Oh, it's quite interesting. I think I've learned about this process when I was young, but I almost forget about it because it was too long that I've learned. Thank you for making me remember again, Teacher Maurice.
My pleasure. But the earth is getting hot day by day. The weather is changing. It rarely rains in tropic zone. As a result of that, we sometimes have unexpected rainy days.
Yes, it's terrible. At the time of discussing these unexpected rainy days, I remember one day that it was one sunny day, so I went outside without taking any umbrella or raincoat because the weather was pretty nice. But all of a sudden, it started raining and I got soaked, and I've got a cold.
That's bad. You should aware of the fact. Later, the effect of the weather changing has many effects on rain. Even in the same town with different places, we have irregular rains. And also the rainy season. The rainy season comes late and goes early. We don't get the rain regularly. That is not really good for agriculture country.
Yes, sudden rains cause troubles for the people too. As you know, during these days I had flooding news and it's too dangerous and people suffer a lot of troubles, including losing their properties and some people are missing. So be aware and be safe. Safety is important.
Yes, not only effect on floods but also on drought. In the recent rainy season's early months, drought is the only one biggest problem that we face. After 4 months of the hot season, people are longing for rain, but because of the climate change, as I mentioned above, the rainy season is become irregular. The rain is more heavy in upper and lower Myanmar and more or less in the middle of the Myanmar, known as tropical zone. But this year, rainy season is a little bit special. Even the middle region of Myanmar like Naypyidaw and Tanggu and many others are facing the problem of floods. These all are because of climate change.
Yes, natural disasters are something that we can never control and we can never wish to have, but we can take care of the war not to happen. The disasters such as reduce cutting down the trees, reduce the use of plastics, and reduce the use of natural resources. Not 100% recovery, but in these ways we can fix a little.
Yes, these are the ways to protect the climate change. Thank you, TJP, for sharing the facts. So before we stop our rhythm of the rain video, TJP, can you please tell me some important words in our video?
Oh, thanks for reminding me, Teacher Maurice. I almost forget it. Yes, there are some important words that I want to share. They are umbrella, raincoat, disaster, flooding, and drought. Umbrella, straight pieces of metal that we can use to protect from rain and sand. For example, don't forget to bring an umbrella because it is cloudy outside. Raincoat, a kind of coat that keeps you dry in the rain. For example, raincoat is very useful when we are driving a motorbike. Disaster, a bad accident, a flood, or a fire that kills a lot of people or causes a lot of damage. Natural disasters are sometimes very dangerous and cause a lot of damage. Flood, a large amount of water covering an area that is usually dry. For example, we have severe flooding during these days in Myanmar. Drought, a long period of time when there is little or no rain. Droughts and floodings are also natural disasters.
Oh, thank you so much for the sentences. And thanks all for today, and thank you so much for listening and watching the video. We will come out with another video soon. And everyone, don't forget to bring umbrella because the weather is unpredictable. This is 𝚛𝚑𝚢𝚝𝚗 Education Center, and see you next time. Bye.
Bye bye.